Oh my god! Oh my god! What the fuck? What the scary flash doing in the sky? Oh my god! Where the flash? Where did I about? What a goof! What the goof? Stupid skeleton! Look at this shit. Where the flash? Where the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's a miracle! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Where the fuck? Oh shit, my socks are wet. Fuck. Stupid sofa. Oh my god. Jesus. Ouch. Oh my god. Scary firework. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Very scary god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my god. This is the... Welcome to Britain, where we celebrate the beheading of a terrorist from 1605. my god. There's so much shit going on. That's also our flag to go back in. Oh. Oh my god. Jesus. I'm amazed at all the shit that's over there. Wonderful. Well, I think that's it, guys. I have to head back in now. I don't know. I want to go into the field. What if I went into the field? I don't know that at all. Oh my god! Wow. My doctor will be dying of a fucking heart attack right now. There's nothing over there though, right? Oh? I don't see him there. They're all like over there. Or... Oh! There's a few popping off. What did we saw today? What the fuck? Whoa, Jesus. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I can. What a beautiful light display. Lasers! Oh shit! Maybe you got any rain on the cover as well. Some over there. I thought some guy patrolling the neighbourhood. Oh well. Two of them went off at once. One over there, one over there. What an impact on sure. Oh. It's fucking... Is it me or are they just coincidentally synchronised? This is actually pretty fun. There's the laser fireworks back there, I'm not sure what's happening now because I think like, I don't know, there's not much fireworks back there used to be. There used to be fireworks over there as well. Some of the few minutes. That's how you feel about that. Not this one. But don't put again that this for 5 hours. Hey, wait, what the fuck? Where'd it go? I think we're having to come in now. Very sad. Yeah. Well, remember the 5th of Shush! I was watching the fireworks out at the front.
Tony! I saw one!
Did you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Tony! Look, you're outside!
Dear.
And now I can't find it.
No, nothing, Tony. They're all good. Tony,
Oh,
we
so
had to
did it.
leave that alone.
It's really irritating. Where?
How big are the cylinders?
Teddy, look,
Sorry?
How big are the cylinders?
look,
What?
How big are the cylinders? Like the cylinders?
Marina's.